Just to our south, it is so much warmer, 50s and 60s right now, and that warmth is going to surge northward as the winds pick up this afternoon out of the south and west. Now, we do have a wind advisory starting at 2 o'clock this afternoon through about 4 o'clock tomorrow morning, so these winds go into the overnight. Gusts to 50 miles per hour here in easternmost Massachusetts, but this is a high wind warning for gusts to 60 Worcester County on north and westward. These winds could do a little bit of damage, could have some isolated power outage issues and some tree limbs coming down, things like that, all associated with a cold frontal boundary that is pressing toward us. And this did produce some severe weather yesterday through parts of Tennessee and Mississippi on up into the Ohio Valley. That axis of severe weather shifts closer to the coastline today, but primarily to our south. We may have just kind of a rumble of thunder with some of these downpours coming on through, but I'm not really expecting any strong to severe storms with them. A couple scattered showers working on through this morning. Temperatures will soar this afternoon into the lower 60s as those winds pick up out of the south and west. So this is what you want to dress for. Certainly a warmer afternoon here, but take a look. You want your wet weather gear with you with a damp condition through about midday. Once we get toward about 2 o'clock this afternoon, that's when those downpours start to focus on in, first across Worcester County, southern New Hampshire, and then they'll shift on into the Boston area right around 4 o'clock this afternoon. So during the evening commute, there will be some elements of heavier rain passing on through very quickly, but the last of them really exiting the Cape around 6 o'clock, and it will be followed by rapid clearing during the overnight. Gusty winds bring in the colder air, so we're down in the 20s and lower 30s tonight, and we only recover into the lower 40s tomorrow. It'll be a sunny day, but blustery, and wind chills do not get out of the 30s all day long. So it looks bright for the home opener at Fenway Park. It is just going to be on the colder side, and that colder air is with us on into Friday morning. Look what else is coming Friday morning. Another system. Initially, yes, I think we have some snow around on Friday morning, perhaps an inch or two, maybe up to 3. Then it changes on over to rain as we get into the afternoon and temperatures come up into the 40s. So some minor accumulation on the grassy surfaces. Just a reminder that we can't shake this pattern. Look at this right on through the weekend. Stuck in the 40s. Another storm is going to be to our south on Sunday morning. Could bring a little mix to southeastern.